Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. So you want to know more about how to repair a gas grill starter? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to repair a gas grill starter is www.youtube.com. Specifically the page titled How to Fix a Weber Grill Igniter, YouTube. Here's the link. You can also try www.familyhandyman.com, especially the page How to Fix a Gas Grill, the Family Handyman. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 16826.r.msn.com. The web page Grill Master Parts Shop nxgrill.com. This is the link.